What are non-fungible tokens? A non-fungible token, NFT, is a digital asset that is unique and has its own identity. NFTs are usually cryptographically unique and are built to be interchangeable. NFTs can represent a variety of items, such as virtual objects, physical property, and even people. NFTs are often used in conjunction with blockchain technology to create a provably scarce digital asset. When did non-fungible tokens start? Blockchain technology is a relatively new innovation, but the use of non-fungible tokens has been around for as long as video games. What are the benefits of NFTs? NFTs are tradable. NFTs can be used as a form of currency. NFTs can be transferred to other users. NFTs can be sold on the market in exchange for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currency. NFTs can be used for subscriptions. What is the difference between NFTs and other cryptocurrencies? A cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency that is not tied to a specific government or central bank. A cryptocurrency uses cryptography to control the creation and transfer of money and to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies are built upon the idea of a decentralized or distributed ledger that records transactions. Non-fungible tokens are a new type of digital asset that can be bought, sold, and traded. Unlike cryptocurrencies, they are not div.